In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact Acorns customer support. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what you want to do is open up a web browser, and then in the URL, you want to type in support.acorns.com. And then once you've done that, go ahead and click on search. And then from here, scroll down a little bit. And then in the little box here, it says need help. Type in Acorns contact information, and then click on the first link here, Acorns contact information. Now from here, scroll down, and then we got a chat here. So we have a live chat advocate available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So you can log into your Acorns app from your home screen, tap the profile icon, and then tap get help. If you want to contact them via an email, you can submit a ticket here and then fill out that email. Or if you got a phone inquiry, to reach out to customer support, so call them at this number on the screen, and their operating hours are 5 AM to 7 PM PT, 7 days a week. And there's a heads up as well, so when you reach out to them by phone, they'll need to verify your identity in order to help you with your account.